REMI BCM 20 Ultra, the next generation blood collection monitor. It is equipped with self-diagnosis and system checks at start. It is checking for the clamp close and open test. Clamp test is OK. It has cleared and it checks for the rocking movement of the tray. It has cleared the rocking movement. Now we move to the control panel. Starting with the first, the set volume. Volume which can be set to 350 or 450 ml as per the requirements. The second, the process status. It shows the process status during the procedure. Third, the battery. It has a long-lasting battery backup of 24 hours. It indicates the battery levels at the moment. Fourth, the buzzer. The buzzer volume which can be adjusted as per our requirements. Fifth, the clamp status. It indicates its position, whether it is on or off. Sixth is the time taken. It shows the actual time in minutes as well as seconds. Seventh, the flow rate. It shows the flow rate per minute. Last but not the least, its unique feature displaying the weight in grams along with volume in ml. Next we go to the magnetic tray. The magnetic tray is removable and which ensures easy maintenance and transportation. It helps mostly in outdoor camps. Third, moving on to the left hand side, it shows a cluster consisting of 4 switches, mainly used to increase or decrease the set parameters. It also has a start and stop switch and the pause and mute switch. This is the total functioning of a BCM 20 Ultra of REMI. We go ahead with the process which follows.
Good.
Under all the aseptic precautions being taken, you will just see the further indications. The system is again undergoing its routine self-diagnosis and system check. Checking for the clamp. Checking for the tray rocking system. Both the things have passed. It is ready to start. Inserting the tube in the clamp. Positioning the machine as per the need. The donor is ready to be pricked. You can start the button so that it will tear off the weight of the bag. It shows tearing in progress. It will tear the weight of the empty bag. The system is ready for vena puncture. Only after the vena puncture, we have to press the toggle switch on the left, start. You can see it shows the seconds at which the bag is being filled and the volume in ml. We have got a good flow rate. Unfortunately, it is showing an indication of no flow. We have to check for any errors on the donor arms. We can mute the button. We can use the mute button to correct the noise. The flow is corrected. Remi BCM 20 Ultra, it helps the technicians to follow the SOPs process, ensuring standardization of the collection process. It's very user friendly and indicates every step of the procedure. It again gave an indication of high flow rate.
High flow rate दिखा है जो आप चाहते हैं.
You have seen that it has reached their desired level of 450 ml and the process is complete.